Astera Labs, the hidden superhighway of the AI gold rush. Now, when people talk about AI, artificial intelligence, they usually are talking about the GPUs. They are the monster chips from NVIDIA or AMD that are like the engines of AI. Everyone is racing to build the biggest, baddest engine to drive the AI revolution. But here's the thing. An engine isn't much use without roads to drive on. And not just any road, we're talking about super highways, the ones that can handle trillions of messages per second without traffic jams, without potholes, and without miscommunication. That's where Astera Labs comes in. Now, what is the problem, guys? There's fast engines and there's crumbling roads. Imagine you have a Ferrari. The Ferrari can go 200 miles per hour, but instead of being on a smooth highway, you're stuck on a road full of potholes and alligators. You're not gonna go anywhere fast. That's exactly what happens inside modern AI data centers. GPUs are insanely powerful engines. But when they try to send signals across a server rack, even just a few inches apart, the data starts to fall apart. By the time the messages reach the other side, it can be completely corrupt. It's like a game of telephone where everyone's mumbling. Now imagine trying to link thousands of GPUs together in one giant brain. Without a fix, it's not a supercomputer. It's just a massive traffic jam. This is what happens when you try to shove electric signals down a copper wire. The quicker you do it, they fall apart and it just gets distorted. Now, what is Astera's solution? They are the signal interpreter. Astera Labs was founded in 2017 and it builds retimers. Think of them as signal interpreters. A retimer sits on the road. Even when a weak or broken signal comes through, they are able to clean it up and it repeats perfectly. It's like having a translator. It's like somebody who listens to a muffled voice, notes it, and instantly sends back the original message crystal clear. This is mission critical for AI. Without retimers, you can't scale AI clusters into the massive superbrains that companies like NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Google are building. Astera's flagship product, the Aries retimer, is the linchpin that makes the whole AI highway possible. Now, of course, you guys want to know how you can make money from this and how it gets the investors excited. Well, just take a look at this chart, guys. In the last year, this company is up 454%. Year to date, it's up 73%. Astera isn't just solving a technical problem, it's turning that solution into serious business momentum. So year over year, it has 150% revenue growth, which is insane for a chip startup. I mean, this company, it only IPO'd in March of 2024. It's only been a company just under 10 years in total, and it has 76% gross margins. Guys, these are numbers that you usually see in software. To have margins that are this high and not be a software as a service company is ridiculous. To have margins this high means a lot of customers put a lot of faith into their products. And let's also talk about their balance sheet. They have over $1 billion in cash with zero long-term debt. It's not rocket science to know that this is a rock solid balance sheet. Customers, they just see their products as mission critical. Once they're in, they don't switch. And they're not stopping with retimers either. They also sell other products like smart switches that moves data around faster. They also have memory expansion controllers to make data centers more efficient. And then of course there's their Cosmos software, which is like a fleet management system baked into every chip. So this lets customers monitor problems in real time. This allows them to diagnose problems and fix them remotely, which is pretty insane. This makes it extremely sticky, meaning it costs a lot of money to switch to a competitor, and that would be very painful. This sounds like a big moat to me. Now, the big picture is that picks and shovels of the AI gold rush will do very well, and we are in the AI gold rush. NVIDIA, they may be the gold miner that's selling the biggest picks, but Astera Labs is selling the roads and shovels that every miner needs. Think about it. Every AI model, we're talking about ChatGPT, self-driving cars, new pharmaceutical drugs, you name it, that depends on GPUs. And every single GPU needs to talk to other GPUs, without miscommunication. This means every AI cluster depends on companies like Astera. Without Astera's technology, the AI economy cannot scale. Now, of course, with any investment, it is not risk-free, and Astera Labs is no different. We have to talk about a few things because it's not all sunshine. First of all, their valuation, because the stock has just done so well, has absolutely skyrocketed here, guys. We're now at a market cap of $38 billion and an absurd PE ratio of 145. It looks like a lot of perfection is priced into a stock like this. That means anytime that they have an earnings report, any sort of news that is not fantastic news, this stock will likely plummet. It also has a big customer concentration. This means that only a few big customers drive in most of their revenue. That's a big thing to keep in mind. Geopolitical exposure, because a lot of their customers, a lot of their revenue, it comes from Asia, Southeast Asia area. And we all know that area specifically these days comes with a lot of risk, a lot of geopolitical bargaining, tariffs, potential war, you name it. And of course, there is competition in this space. We have gigantic companies like Broadcom and other hyperscalers like Amazon Web Services, Google, that could develop their own solutions. But guys, let's talk about the bull case. Let's talk about the best case scenario. AI infrastructure will spend over $1 trillion in the next decade. They're gonna be spending $1 trillion+ on AI infrastructure. So even if connectivity takes even 5% of that pie, that's tens of billions of dollars in revenue. Now let's say that Astera scales from about $600 million in revenues today to maybe about $15 to $20 billion in the next 10 years. That potentially could happen if this demand continues. And that means the market cap, it could grow from about $38 billion today to about $500 billion in 10 years. Again, guys, I'm being extremely bullish. I'm just using numbers based on how much I expect AI infrastructure spending to be. So that means a $10,000 investment today could be worth well over $100,000 by the mid-2030s. All right, guys, we did something different. We talked about a growth stock on this channel. It's not a dividend-paying company, but as you can see, it can make you way more than dividends ever could, probably in an entire lifetime, really, honestly. The main takeaway here, guys, is that Astera Labs isn't as flashy as NVIDIA. You won't see it in the headlines as much, but their role is just as critical. They're the hidden superhighway that builds onto the AI economy. If the engines of AI are roaring, Astera makes sure that the roads don't crack under pressure. And that's why some investors would love to see Astera Labs not just as a chip stock, but as a core piece of the AI future, with the potential to be one of the standout growth stories of the next decade. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know a lot of you didn't like my previous video, but that's okay. I don't want any snowflakes watching this channel. I appreciate all those that stuck through. Continue to support this channel. Continue to support the journey. We're all getting rich together. If you want to see my full nearly $300,000 portfolio, be sure to check out the Patreon in the link below. If you want to have some great chats with other like-minded investors, be sure to join the Discord, and I will catch you on the next one.
If you're trying to tell me be smart, I want you to think about this, what you're saying. I don't know you, we don't know each other, and you're trying to tell me to be smart like you have a point.